Scared the hell out of him. Scared the shit out of him there. What the hell? The hell is this shit? Shit. Yeah, unfortunately he cannot come outside. What's a big deal? Because, well, there's a pretty big thunderstorm coming. So yeah. What is this shit? I'm not even kidding. Oh, this is stupid. Oh, Christ. Sorry about trying to pick it up because I wanted to choke on this shit, whatever the hell this is. I mean, it feels like cloth. So it's obviously some kind of a cloth, but obviously not know what. It's probably best I don't find out, to be honest. Otherwise, I'll probably wind up being pissed if I do find out. And you know what? Miss a couple pieces, but that's good enough. Oh, great. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Oh, great. Well, only able to come out here. Damn, that cloud is dark. Hey, come on, Lucas. And then you get. What the hell was that? Okay, I'm not sure if it's me, but could've sworn I heard something creaking. I'm not sure if I'm hearing shit or not. I'm actually gonna have to go back in the footage to see if I heard that creak or if it was in my head or not. The hell was that? And as you can tell, rained a little bit this morning, and I'm standing in mud. You gotta be fucking kidding me. The thunderstorm as well, but obviously it has obviously quit. But here in a couple hours, like I said before, it's gonna be a strong thunderstorm. That is a big ass cloud right there. Look at that. Holy shit. Now let me give it some more water in that pot. I know she doesn't need any water, but just in case if she somehow runs out of water in that black pot there. Oh my god. Damn. Okay, it's kind of... Look at this. The big ass cloud right there, but over there it's perfectly clear. Perfectly clear over there, but if we look to the left, as you can see, a big ass dark cloud. Holy shit. My god. And over there too, obviously. And darker by the minute. Almost literally. Having an itch, there we go. Starting to hear a train right now too. It's after I say that. Whoa! Fuck. Oh, it's one of those fucking wasps again. A huge phobia of getting stung by a bee and a wasp. The container just hit the camera there, sorry about that. And try not to make a mess here, which looks like it's probably not gonna happen. Wind is starting to pick up again. Anyway, it doesn't matter if I make a huge mess or not. Like I said, it's supposed to start a... Well, it's supposed to, like I said before, get a really heavy thunderstorm here in a couple hours. So it really doesn't matter if I make a huge mess or not. I think I feel a little bit too much, but whatever. Oh, fuck. This... Somehow I just dropped the whole damn container in the water pot there. I don't know how the hell I did that. Ridiculous. Anyways, I'm actually gonna end it here. See if I can find a cat. Whatever. Probably went into my room to climb my fucking bed again. But for now, that's it. Yes, let's have one bit to close off the video. Why not?